This coronavirus pandemic is so boring. We can't even meet or go outside. It is like time is frozen.
Yeah, I agree. But a window of opportunity has also opened. We can paint, dance, cook, or even find a new hobby.
That's true. Hey, did you know that the flowers in my garden are blooming? I can see it from my balcony. It's really beautiful.
Wow, that's really gorgeous. Even from my balcony, I can hear the birds chirping throughout the day. Nature is really thriving. The gentle breeze is so soothing in the morning, and the skies are really blue.
True. But this is so sad. People took nurses and doctors for granted. Even the police, vegetable vendors. The other day, I saw a water tanker headed towards the slums. These people are out there serving humanity.
I feel humbled when I see sanitation workers cleaning every day to keep our surroundings hygienic and infection free, and garbage pickers who still come every day to take away our waste.
Right now, they all are practically carrying the world on their shoulders, risking their lives for us. The other day, I saw some poor laborers sitting outside the unfinished buildings outside my home. In this lockdown, I am not even sure how they're gonna make their ends meet. My mom provides them with milk and fruits daily.
Yeah, that's nice. Even mom says we should do something for the needy in these times. Oh, where are these people headed in this lockdown? It's ridiculous. People are still roaming about the streets.
Really? Wow. This shows people can't even sit in their homes and do nothing.
Whoa, what a beautiful bird just flew past and perched on a tree nearby. It's very pretty. Let me send you a pic. It's a pigeon. No way, it's a parrot because it's green. No way, that's definitely a pigeon.
You mean a green pigeon? Let me Google it.
Isn't it amazing? A yellow-footed green pigeon. We've learned something new today. There's a pair. They are building a nest in a tree just outside. This laburnum tree is host to so many different birds. Parrots, bulbul, pigeons, crows. A little while ago, I saw two squirrels were chasing each other in a neem tree in the backyard.
Yesterday I saw this magnificent black beauty of a butterfly fluttering through my garden. It was really mesmerizing.
Wow! And I have to tell you, the other night I saw this amazing sight. The Venus was shining so bright next to the crescent moon. I just had to take my telescope up to the terrace and look what a beauty I captured.
Have you noticed anything during our conversation? We are noticing things that we took for granted till now. Hearing bird songs, smelling flowers. Life can be as simple or as complicated as we make it to be. Dad was saying that the economy has come to a halt, causing hardships to many.
True, but it's also true that ozone is healing, pollution level is down, and nature is regenerating and reclaiming the earth. Let's enjoy, learn, grow, and come out of this lockdown better humans than before. How long have we been talking? It's nearly sundown. Mom will kill me. Bye. Talk to you tomorrow.